what people put you through.
Good morning, everyone. Morning. How's everyone doing today? All right. Hold on. Gotta turn down this music. Uh, be better. Okay. All right. So, today we do not have um any. I mean, we do have news, but not until pretty much 2 hours and 8 minutes from now. So we'll see if we'll be able to get a setup for trading before that time. And if not, we're gonna have to wait until after the news. And then, of course, today is Friday. We'll now get it set up, find out some stuff. But as of right now, I am anticipating sales here. So we will see what happens. Hey, good morning, Ade. How you doing? New York opens in 3 minutes. Um, I'll be right back, guys. New York opens in a minute and 15 seconds. Be right back. Alright, so New York is open right now. I'm expecting to see rejection either at this 5-minute supply or this resistance. So, see. Good morning, William. Can you buy gold? Well, you can buy if you want, but I just explained what I am looking for earlier. I sells. But if you see buys, you're welcome to take buys. Good morning, Richard. a buy a stop, yeah. I got a sell stop right there. Looking at 90 ticks SL until will be the 50. Do me a favor, guys, as you guys are hopping on, smash the like button. Oh, Edwin is not here yet. He's not either.
Oh yeah, it's possible that because they're used to getting the new link.
Oh, I mean, they should still even have access to the tool because cancel it. Monday by Monday, should probably be gone.
Mm.
Yeah, that's why I didn't say that just yet. Could a bit.
Yeah, he's talking about the link.
Yeah, let me just say something now, just in case. Now that there's something. Good morning, Isaiah. You see, Didi knows.
Are you sure she knows? Because she only just joined.
Yeah, because she replied. She said,
Yeah.
Thanks, you did note this before. Maybe she was busy. Daddy doesn't know? You sure, kid, a bit? Daddy's still in school. And she still got access to.
To be honest, doesn't take much to trip up most people. You switch to WAP, they're all over the place. They don't know what to do. You switch to school, even more people are gone. They don't know what to do.
Well, I'm always looking for something better, but I'm gonna stick to WAP and Discord.
Zoom in Discord. You said WAP.
Oh, I mean,
Zoom, right?
Zoom. Remember what I said about Zoom? Though in New York we'll be on Zoom, but London and maybe if we start trading Asia session again, will be Discord. Pretty much when we're on our own.
Okay.
to stream it in 4K.
Fair enough.
Yeah, Kyoto Bit, you got a point.
But I don't blame you. It's like I like looking for new things, better things, but you know, sometimes it doesn't work out. You know, what can you do?
True, true. The one thing I ain't looking for when it comes to trading though is freaking strategy. I got that one locked in. Really cute a bit. Remember, this stop loss for this possible gold sales, we're looking at 90 ticks, guys. 90 ticks. Pretty much, if we take this sell, we're pretty much gonna have 2 BE points. One is gonna be at 45, the other one is gonna be at 60, and final TP will be 120. Just like having 3 TPs, pretty much. It's Friday. I'm just looking for this range. That's all. If we take this sell from here.
I'm in agreement with Kill the Beat. I want this thing to come up, wick out those highs. Am I right?
Well, except if it doesn't close above. If it closes above it and we do reject this supply, yeah, I need push down, then a pull back, then I get in. Because now it's gonna have a BOA, minor BOS. So make sure not just gonna create a support and
Also, it looks ugly as hell. It's been pretty choppy since London.
yeah, but if it does break the highs, it's gonna even look more ugly, except if it freaking creates gaps on its way out.
Yeah.
I think we need to get down to here before that happens.
Exactly. I actually do think we need to at least grab liquidity below this low, which we can actually still do above the highs, but if it does that, it's still gonna look more ugly. So it will be better if it does it below.
I think gold wants to take that out real bad. Real bad.
Are you in a buy, Will?
No.
If it given that gives you liquidity grab, we'll see, we'll see. Don't know just.
Yeah, you might be right, Kildavi.
Yeah, as you can tell over here, it wicked it out, rejected multiple times. Now it's coming to the other side. Once that side.
Yeah, but I do not believe in the liquidity grabs at minor lows or minor highs of the range.
Ah, okay.
The major highs or major lows of the range, those are the liquidity grabs I prefer.
William, you can do whatever you want with gold. You can buy it, you can sell it. Do whatever you want.
Hey, Iron Man trading was good.
Make that coin, yes, sir. Man, I remember Iron Man. He's like holding long oil forever, and I'm pretty sure that thing went like up 10% today because of the Iran bombs, war, whatever. Damn, Edwin's not with Gideon either. That's a problem.
He had a bad morning. But again, if he just held the A trade, you'd be laughing.
Yeah.
Too much tinkering. Didi, Edwin's blown an account today, yesterday, day before.
I love good longs. I knew Iron Man was gonna be longs.
I loved gold longs too during London, and then I was gone. I was out.
I still believe gold is going to go up, but in order for that to happen, it should come down more. Could be wrong. The overall trend is still bullish.
Yeah. Also, I heard someone say, since there's the whole war thing going on over there, people are going to be afraid to hold like stocks indices over the weekend because of what could potentially happen, which means, hey, if you're not going to hold, if you're not going to go long indices, you're probably going to want to hold gold, oil, and whatever. Yeah, you see, there you go. Took out those highs. You just know he wants it. He wants it.
longs for a few years now. Wow, few years.
He's never closing. He'll go to the grave with that gold long.
Man, what? I want to know what your swap fees are. Are they more than the trade?
Oh, he's in America, so he might be, trading either the
Oh,
stocks or futures.
oh yeah.
Yeah. The only way I'll move this sell entry is if we pretty much create another support here. We don't.
Oh, so he's holding longs on the futures. That means you gotta like keep swapping out the contracts every time contract rollover happens. Man, that's crazy. You've been holding gold future longs for so long.
Wow, his futures? Oh, I thought he was gonna say thoughts or something.
Yeah, me too. Stocks, you can kind of just forget about it, you don't ever have to manage it in any way.
Yeah. Break this 1 hour resistance. See what we do at 34.3.
Oh, oh wow, damn. Someone just bought like 124 lots. Jeez.
A bit.
Since 1,400 price on gold. That's ridiculous. Yeah, take out those highs.
Well.
There's too much buying. There's so much buying right now. Huge buying too.
I'll be taking it. I fact that there's too much buying at these highs. See.
All right, took it out. Let's see. Yeah, it's going up. There's so much buying. My God, they're still buying the shit out of it. Israel-Iran conflict for the weekend, says Rainmaker. Man, when Pi said, am I in the buys? I should have just taken the buys, man. I was like, just gonna take out that high. Should have just taken it. Yes, it's true.
Am I gonna teach you guys how to trade nails? Well, you just don't trade it, just trade after.
Damn, that reminds me. I wonder if that Roger Banks guy still trades online on YouTube.
I think it still does.
He loves the.
It still does once in a blue moon.
Oh, okay.
So guys, if we get a sell position here, we'll be looking at 100 ticks for the stop loss, 150 ticks for the final TP. To break even point, one is going to be 50, 75, and just going to be pretty much back to the close. Bullish. There'll be no closing bearish. Even though this freaking, we go to the 15-minute here, we do fail to break below this support. But here we just this. We did another support here. However, looking at the 1 hour in this range, expecting from there. Eventually to the 4-hour demand of this. It's gotta buy lower. Wait until we actually break above the major high. If we're gonna create this here, oh, we actually break this.
To the moon. Man, this thing's gonna pop. They're desperately trying to sell it up here. Okay, it took them out. Yep. I'm waiting for the top.
Do I think it's going to break up? Well, here together we're watching it.
$64.0. That is where we shall see what happens.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna need to see a support now. Very strong bullish momentum deal. Still, until
I see it.
we break this high, then I'll see.
I see it right now. Right there.
I don't see it yet.
All right. I think I see like at least 250 pips of bullishness right now.
This is just a pullback for a second.
Maybe. Maybe. Oh yeah, there's news in like what, an hour?
Yeah, we got news in that house. We might have to
Mm,
that because now that we're
yeah.
back to these highs and we now have a structure here, five, and have it on steady as 1 hour as well. Pretty much going to need this if this supply holds. That so might have to wait for the news, please. Because with this minor BOS that we have now, gold could freaking deceive sellers. Might even break this minor low, create this support, and then that support freaking breaks the high. So
Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Man, I think this high is in jeopardy of getting taken out because if news is coming up and every news is like just all red for the dollar every single time, it might just
possibly.
spike. Man, this thing's gonna keep going higher. They're selling the shit out of it. This has to be like retail desperately selling it. Yep. Retail gate trying to short it. Man, with all this selling, their stop loss is probably above that high. It's probably gonna explode. It's probably gonna fucking just massive candle take them all out. Oh man, NYSE hasn't even opened. Why is there so much volume?
Nope. NYC opens in 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Possible sales at all-time high supply. Ish, all-time high supply is not until freaking 3357.5. That's still a long way to go. We ain't getting there today. So well, I'd be wrong, you know, telling with the news.
Just need like Iran to fucking drop another bomb. Fucking get there real quick. Oh yeah, did you get your 2R on that trade kill to beat? Man, he's already gone. He's like, fuck it.
Well, please take over for me. I need to go use the restroom. I'll be right back, guys. And before I leave, remember, this is what we're gonna wait for if this supply holds, because we have a minor break of structure. So we're pretty much gonna wait for this, and then we take the cells. That gives us an extra confirmation that price wants to fall. Because right now, because of the minor BOS that we have to the upside, we could just pretty much create a support and then continue to the upside. So to avoid that, we just need one extra confirmation. So that's what we're gonna wait for. I'll be right back.
Now, if I was aggressive, if this thing gets back to around 52.0, I would probably want to take a long. Sorry, trying to pull back up. All right, scratch that. It'd only be good if it came straight down. Then you can easily take it straight back up, filling the gap on the way that made on the way down. But it's already filling the gap. Damn, everyone's so quiet today. Yeah. It was possible that 57.0 could hold, but that's just too aggressive. Dang. Dang. Yeah, I was actually talking about the buys. I was looking for a buy at 52.0, but it held at 57.0.
This is yep. This is why you need to, just because price is freaking rejecting or reacting to its supply, you don't wanna just jump in the sales. Need to wait for extra confirmation, especially if that momentum token has a BOS. If it does not have a BOS, then you can get in. So now, because of this minor BOS, there's also still a chance that this high could get taken out. Same time, I hold.
Oh, you're talking about the 15 supply high?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. I think it's going to get taken out. They're too aggressive.
Yeah.
The fact that it couldn't even pull back a little deeper, it's like, my God.
If you want to take, the aggressive sellers first and take off of the higher supply instead.
Oh, yeah.
And just in case you're wondering, like, damn, which one is it? Is it a buy or a sell? Need to understand, if you're not new to this, by now you should know that trading is a game of probabilities. That's why you'll be like, might happen over here, that might happen over there, because it's a game of probabilities. Why some people think trading is freaking gambling, not, because you can actually learn how to do this. You can learn how to gamble. Just guess. That's what I try to tell people, that freaking things and believe trading is
64.0.
Just let them know. Learn how to do this, so you can learn how to gamble. Huge difference. Not the same.
.0 tagged and rejecting.
Yeah, 5 minutes supply as I moved it. The whole area is still, also the 15. Since we tagged the 5, how that go?
Yeah, Kill the Beat's right. You can learn how to count cards.
I disagree.
No, you can. I did it for blackjack.
Well, you're learning how to count it, but how to play, can you learn it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a probability thing. It's like
Huh?
they start to deal out the cards, and then you count how many
Morning.
of whatever numbers have been already played. Then you use that as your advantage to know what's left in the deck.
Well, I guess they're right then. Trading is a gamble. All right, boys and girls, we gamblers.
Let's go.
To gamble your life away.
Oh, Edwin's here.
You know what? That's what I'm gonna start doing now. I'm gonna just buy and sell anywhere. Oh, since it's a gamble. Buy now. Or just buy and sell at the same time. Edge that shit. Oh man. Hey, one of them is gonna work, damn it. Don't listen to me, guys.
Abe's having a good time. He must be at least a little high.
Maybe just a tiny. tiny, itty bitty. It's been a good week, so
Yeah, it's been a good week.
usually I'll be looking to sell below this support, but not today, my guy. Not today. Too aggressive for sales now. My sell around 34.58. Yep, I'm guessing that's forex. Right now we rejected where
54.
34.63. Yeah, I said 34.50.
Oh.
Yeah, less people watching today. This is okay. Oh damn, Diddy. Sorry to hear that. That's why, like, I always advise you guys to get 2 accounts. Use one to take my trades, and you use one trades that you take on your. Which I hope Edwin is doing now.
Well, Edwin's definitely kicking and punching the air as well.
He said this has been fire. Definitely feeling the heat on my end.
Oh, so you're good on the week, Edwin? Oh. Oh. Oh, damn.
Yeah, Gideon has been having losses too this week, except for today.
Damn. Yeah, sarcasm. That's unfortunate.
This week we only had one.
Speak for yourself. I've had a couple. But I take a bunch of trades, so, you know, I've got a ton of wins.
Yeah, that's why I meant when we trade together.
How many? So this week, what you got? You got 1 loss and how many wins?
1, 2, 4.
Okay, nice.
Not a single Asia session trade this week, though.
Oh, that's crazy.
London and New York. 2 London trades and 3 New York. That loss was New York. I think that was on Wednesday.
Yeah, I took that trade too. I was so sure it was gonna go TP, which it did,
Yep.
just not with us.
And surpassed TP.
Oh man.
So some people on YouTube are wondering, how are you guys in a mentorship and taking your own trades? That's what you're supposed to do, my guy.
Unless you're with like, like Donvo and those people. Then you take its signals and, blow your account.
Yep. New high in a minute. Possibly. We'll get the next daily resistance to deal with.
Four minutes NYSC.
Yeah, at this point, we're gonna have to wait for the news, guys. At this point, NYSC opens in 4 minutes, then 30 minutes after that, we got news. Yeah, after the news, I think I'm gonna just wait 30 more minutes.
All right.
My 30 will blow off the roof, maybe.
Killed Beat said he called it 80 minutes ago.
Called what?
I did call 64.0 a long time ago. Time travelers. Oh, is that top one?
You say what?
Oh, is that the top one company? The green logo?
Yeah, top 1 futures, yeah.
Okay. $930 will blow it off the roof. Probably. Hi, I'm new here. What lot size would you guys use on a 100K account? Well, I'm assuming you're talking about a prop firm. So
Yeah.
realistically, you look at what your drawdown is, and then you risk, a couple percent of your drawdown.
Which means your maximum drawdown.
Yeah, like Kildebeat said, if you're asking that question, you really shouldn't be risking much. For example, let's say you've got like $1,000 drawdown. You probably don't want to risk more than $100 in a single trade. You probably want to risk even less than that. Because you want to make sure that you have multiple opportunities to take trades. You have PTSD on Friday, blown your funded account with 10% already on Friday, was waiting for 21 days withdrawal limit, only to blow the account on Friday. Well, that's called over risking because you're telling me you blew the entire account in one day.
Yeah, I think David is very aggressive. Risk aggressive. There are traders there are traders would trade like that though. I don't.
Yeah. I believe that's less of trading and more of gambling.
I wouldn't even do that with my own capital, not to talk of prop firm. Prop firm is definitely a no-no. I said if you wanna, keep buying and buying and buying until you get a payout. And the crazy part is trading like that, once you get one payout, you ain't gonna stop. We're gonna keep trading that way.
Oh shit, New York's open. Shit. Didn't even realize.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah. It's like, oh, it's open. It's not even blasting off or anything. Missed my NAS. Oh shit, it fucking blasted off.
Probably taking a pause on
Yeah, okay, I missed my
MQ
NAS.
for now. Taking a break on MQ. Just focus on gold. I backtest gold more than I do with NAS anyways.
Okay.
Let me show you something. So, here we go.
5% daily limit, you do risk high. you have a good setup, it works fine on the trending market, but in the ranging market, you pull your account easily. Yeah, that makes sense. Like for example, we're not trending right now because in this range we've not taken out the major high just yet. So if you've been trading for long, let's say you caught this buy at this lows, you should know whatever you do, your final TP should be around this high. Except if you're at least trailing your stop loss. The concubine Nas did not last. Crazy part was Nas was ahead of gold before. Plus, I'll still get back to Nas. Just taking a pause on it for now. Plus, focusing on one pair is actually the best anyways. Pretty much reduce the stress you go through when you analyzing the chart and freaking waiting for a setup. Reduce that mental stress.
Yep, I did warn them.
Maybe you guys were gonna say stuff like this, but it's so good.
Oh no, I think Didi meant with Nas.
No, you didn't, Kidabit. No, you didn't. Yours does not count. You hit it, Nelson.
I feel like every time I told Abe, like, why are you trading Nas? Just stick with gold since you already said it. It's like it just fueled him to do Nas even more. He's like, oh, really? Oh, really? Okay, I'm gonna trade it now.
Yep, I do get defensive. Okay. Well, picking higher.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we got news in 19 minutes.
Oof. All right, thank God for Kill the Beat reminding me about Naz. I caught them buys, baby.
Yeah, and that should keep going up. Gold may keep buying. Possibly, especially with this news.
Man, I can see it already. News comes out, it's all red for the dollar. It spikes up and then does a fucking 180. Massive, massive drop after. Just like every other day.
With the news though, with the news, depending on what happens, I jump in. Hell, if we start coming. Because at this high, pretty much from right here, I don't really see aggressive buying. So,
It looks choppy.
yep.
Looks like it's gonna get taken out.
What's gonna get taken out? The highs?
Oh, it already got taken out. I mean these minor supports, these tiny little supports.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta wait for news. Oh, the music is too loud? Oh, okay. Kind of feel that too. Better. I'll be right back. I need some water.
Yeah, now it's super low. I can't even hear it.
Yeah, I need music or I get nervous.
Oh man, you've been so quiet, Pi. What's been happening?
Oh, I've just been helping out around the house. It's Friday,
Oh.
Friday late afternoon here.
Oh, okay.
Just want to have a look at the chart and grace you with my presence.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm feeling blessed.
Good. Man, I don't know. I do not wear the pants, Kill the Beat. I do not wear the pants. I know my place.
If I remember correctly, he doesn't wear pants. If we remember correctly on YouTube, right?
As you all know, during a London session in 2024, I do not wear pants. Oh, man. That's the real reason why David left.
Damn. It's so
Too
crazy
much.
that we've never heard from him.
You saw too much of Pi FX.
Oh wow, haven't seen Lucian either for it's like just one day of the week and then he's just gone.
Man,
I
if
think he's
not
on
for
holiday.
if not for news, I'll be in the cell right now. Oh, Lucian said he's taking the whole of June off. Going on
Oh,
That is going on vacation.
damn. He's on vacation like every other week.
Oh man. Speaking news, I would have taken the right here.
Watch it. Everyone wants gold to go up because of the war. They're all thinking conflict, conflict, conflict. But Iran's going to sell all their gold.
Oil is going crazy. I saw it was up 10% today. What is it now? Up 5.5 right now. Probably sell gold, buy oil, man.
See what happens with the news.
all the wrongs that people put you through.
Wait, you're in US 30 now? There's news in 10 minutes.
Oh. What's this news again? Send question. Yeah, that should affect indices.
Oh my god. Killer Beat says news doesn't matter. Holy shit. What is this?
Man,
Looks
we used to have
like
some good.
gold already got volatile.
US 30.
Oh, she already tipped it.
Dee a machine.
Oh, okay.
Dee's an absolute machine. She comes across as like the quiet, like mother granny of the group, and then she's just there printing cash, printing
Damn,
money.
did you just call Diddy granny?
No, I said mum. I said mummy first. I don't know why, but I just got images of like Dee just in like a rocking chair, with glasses, doing her knitting, but making thousands of dollars from her phone.
Gold buys broke the inverse head and shoulders Base at a retest of the neckline. I'm still looking for sales. Oh, never mind, Pie. She said she loved the granny.
I wonder how many times news has fucked us in trades.
Every time.
Yeah.
Every single time.
It's all fake.
If you get in before news, you're fucked because it'll go back into range and then stop you out. If you don't take the trade because of news, it'll go straight to your TP.
Fake news.
Yep. Can't win.
That's why we're not in these sales right now. Said. This is still good also. Now, hopefully with the news, just go back up, pretty much reject this.
Yeah.
Hmm. 5 more minutes for news. Alright. Got 30 more seconds.
Watch it not do anything. And that trade runs. We're gonna be like, oh man, should have taken it. Killed a bit. We'll be like, oh man, news is fake. Or we'll be like, oh.
News comes with a new high. About to find out. Don't do it, gold.
Oh, wow.
Still see you falling, gold. But go back up. But don't break the high. Also. Tap the 15 here. It's not bad.
Order filled.
I am in this, guys. I am in this. 134. Right. What happens? While you're here,
Yeah, I'm here.
okay. Just take over from me and to
All
go
right.
use the restroom.
Let's see. Goldie, Goldie. Gold looks good. Looks good. Hopefully it stays under this little minor resistance it's made, but yeah, it looks good.
The DJ D Tech, I would just be really careful about if there's a war, look for buys. You're right, gold is bullish and conflict is risk on, so people money does go into gold. But if you think about it, gold's been going up, oh fucking hell, for pretty much most of the day. New York's just opened up. They're not gonna buy gold here.
Exactly. Also,
So you're just
just
gonna
broke out
be
the highs.
Yeah, you're just gonna be really careful. Yeah, not at the top of the ring. So you're just gonna be really careful about jumping into a buy because of war. I mean, look at that India-Pakistan thing. There was conflict and gold dumped.
It actually
So
went up
just
like a
be
lot. And then
not when
it
it
dumped.
initially happened. Not yet.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
It did come down quite heavy, heavy during the Asian session. I know because I got clapped.
Well, I believe you then.
Yeah, they tend to stick in the memory. Get clapped. So yeah, just be careful about war equals buys. Always, this is a positional game, you know. I think it's 120 pips killed a beat. I'm not ignoring you, brother.
Where's the... All right. So POC 45.0, which is also roughly where the VWAP is.
That's my target. Yeah, I'll be jumping out around there.
Makes sense.
If we can break into the value area, we're currently at the value area high. So
Yeah,
if we can,
we're back inside.
Yeah, visit the other side.
Yep.
I'm not playing with no VWAP though. I'm gone. Not on Fridays.
Man, I got my eyes on the VWAP. I want to see exactly what happens here.
You're gonna buy the shit out of it. I know it.
Oh, no, I jumped in cells.
Yeah, no, good.
I wasn't going to trade it since I already got the W on NAS, but it looked good.
It really did. Really did.
Yeah.
Becoming so. It's relatively. I'm just becoming so reliant on Trade-O-Vate and the data. When I was away from it, I wasn't going to trade anything, but getting back in front of it, it gives you that sort of comfort.
Yeah.
And that's such a good supply to sell from, that King's marked up, because if I'm not mistaken, that was the Asian high before it turned around.
I think so, yeah.
Alright, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Yeah, exactly, killed a beat, exactly. And I was listening to everything you guys are saying, and it was so right. Just wait, patience. No need to jump, because if you jumped into buys, you'd be in so much pain right now.
So this gold trade, the first TP where you can move to BE if you want, that's 60 ticks. Next is going to be 100 ticks. Final will be 200. I am going to wait until the 50% of final target, which is going to be 100 ticks. So hopefully you get it. So you can manage this trade however you want.
Sorry, killed a beat. The VWAP is currently sat at 344, 4.8.
Here we go.
Here we go. Not yet, killed a beat. Not yet. We're not far away. Man, I say we're not far away. It's like another 30 pips. Jesus.
Yeah,
Ooh.
right?
Here we come. There we go.
There we go.
Tapped it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. I'm done. Thank you, King. Thank you, everyone.
So that was 60 ticks. If you want to move your stops to BE here, if that's what you did, just spam W's in the chat.
King is the fucking best, man.
And I got a win too.
Oh, it didn't hit your... Oh, right, yeah.
Mine is at 100.
It should get there because, I mean, we're back in the range. It's gotta keep going.
Apparently it's got I don't know how accurate my back testing was, but it's got if it gets back in the range, it's got a 70% chance of getting to the other side.
Is that 70% chance like you making it up, or 70% chance as in it actually is?
70% chance of it doing it.
Oh, okay, that's very high.
I drew out all of this year.
Oh, nice.
When it closes within the value area high or value area low, it has a 70% chance of getting to the other side. Well, it does after that, you know. It's anyone's guess,
Yeah.
but
Yeah, Pi is out because of the VWAP. On MGC,
yeah, I'm out back.
we didn't tap it yet, but we tapped it on GC, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah, GCQ5.
Yeah, tapped it.
It's almost guaranteed to give a reaction. It's so,
Yeah,
I don't know, so used. Or
it should come down.
it should. Obviously, you know, market doesn't move in straight lines, so you could see some chop on the way down.
Hopefully not.
Dr. TV says all-time highs.
I'm hoping.
Oh man,
I'm
sorry.
hoping with NYSC and news, and this thing just keeps tanking. And it's freaking Friday. The POC is right here too.
That's where it should go. It should go to. Wait, it's
It
actually.
moved up.
Yeah, it's actually 45.0, which it tagged. It was the POC and VWeb combined.
If not for freaking news, would have been in up here.
Yeah, that would have been the fucking play.
I've been in up there.
Oh, man, good week, guys. Good week.
Yeah.
Oh, you're on while already secured.
Yeah.
I'm not playing with that POC or VWAP on a Friday.
I just saw the POC now. I mean, anyway.
The chance of it bouncing, like, it's like, you know what, I'm gonna take at least half off there because man, the chance of it bouncing is too high.
Come on, guys. 80 people watching, and we've only got 23 likes. Come on. I don't know, Max. I don't think God cares about my one lot.
Definitely want to see gold stay underneath that little consolidation area right here. New York's POC currently sitting over there.
Yeah, that's the zone I'm looking at too.
I've taken far too many trades this week. I need to scale that down.
Yeah, I've been trying to, cut my trades down like to a minimum because it's so easy to get trigger happy.
Yeah, man. 33 I've done this week.
Oh,
33 trades.
rookie numbers.
You've already done that today.
You said 33?
Yeah, in 1 week.
Damn.
This week, yeah.
Sheesh.
Not a good habit.
I'm not even trying at all.
You pick up your game, mate. Shit.
I gotta step my game up.
Man. I want to see 40 trades, Abe, on Monday. Man, you've got to think, what would old school Phoenix do?
Old school Phoenix.
He would trade five in a session.
How many trades do you take today, Pi?
Today, not many. 3.
3? Oh, okay. Jeez.
Yeah,
I've taken more
3.
than you. 1, 2, 3,
2.
4. 4?
2 sales in London and the sale just now.
Oh, 2 sales in London. Damn, I took
Yes.
by London.
Yeah, I was just I think I might have been up a little bit earlier. It was just sort of pre-London, that tight range that we were in before it came down and then exploded up.
Yeah, good trade.
It was around that on spot it was like 34.24, so I sold from there twice. Man, I was so relieved. I was in the cell for ages, and I was like, "Oh man, where's Abe?" I was in, like, sat in drawdown, it's going sideways. I was like, "I need Abe." And then he came on. He was like, "Oh yeah, I'm gonna short from here." I was like, "Whew." There it goes.
Yeah, that's one thing. One thing about Abe is, he has a very calm demeanor. So, and his trading style's very, like a calm, calculated, set it and then forget it.
Yeah, exactly. I also like, even if we're not taking the same trades, this is sort of the background noise and the talking and it's just, I don't know, it's just comforting when you're trading.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh no, Didi, I can't trade a tick chart. I don't think my internet is fast enough to do what Wall does. No, I just use Footprint and Delta.
Goddamn freaking VWAP.
Yep. Look how big the fucking bounce is from VWAP. Like, holy shit.
Yeah, there's got to be something in that.
Yep.
It happens too often.
Yeah.
Did Edwin come back?
Yeah, but he hasn't said anything.
Oh man, that says it all.
Why are you so quiet, Edwin? What's happening? He's probably busy talking to Gideon.
Yeah. Oh, Gideon must have won his cell this morning as well.
Oh yeah, no. Nice cell setup right here. There we go.
That
Put
was the
that thing to
original
break
entry.
even.
That was the entry you wanted before, right? Before the news.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go down, Goldie. Go down. Get away from my stop. Stop that. Get back down there.
Rules, everyone. Rules over trading.
I couldn't help it. It looked too good. Just looked too good.
Max, WoW does not use a time-based chart. I said I will be done by 9:30. 34.
Damn.
Your ball got stopped up.
Nope. I'm still in.
I'm only saying like I got FOMO.
Alright, there we go. Made a new low. Time to head back down. Time to break that VWAP.
man, you know, you were talking about prop firms earlier, about like gambling, like getting huge payouts and stuff. Did Jay Smith ever get that 60K payout with the interview?
Oh, I don't know.
That was massive, absolutely massive.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know either.
If he did, he's made way more money on Top Step than I did. I've never withdrawn that much, like Jesus.
Beautiful.
What? Is this candle flipping? Shit. Gotta be kidding
Yeah,
me.
right. Get all out and drop.
Fuck my life. Oh my god. Fuck. What the fuck? What's he even rejecting, man? Does no one believe this could be a higher low to continue? I don't think so.
Man, it didn't break the major high. But who knows? Not break the major high.
Oh God, we gotta get Layla. We gotta be on Sunday, Monday on it.
Yeah, it is a higher low. But looks more like a range. Nah, I just wanted my break even. It'll come down. Oh no, I don't mean a tick range. I mean like this whole zone up here. Man, I believe Kill the Beat loves people in agony. It's like when people are suffering, this guy's so happy.
Oh man, that's so true.
Jesus.
If we don't reject here, no, if we do not reject here.
Hmm. 64.2 stop loss. 64.2. All right, seems like a good spot. There is a supply up there, just below it.
Man, it's amazing how the YouTube numbers increase when there's a trade, and then they decrease if you're in drawdown or they're taking profit.
Yeah. They ain't loyal.
These hoes ain't loyal.
No, they ain't.
Not like us. Not like us loyal hoes.
Yep. We stick with Abe till the end.
100%. I don't want to hear none of this Abe retiring this year chat. Go to Texas myself and get him.
You come to Texas yourself.
And say, you're late, get on stream. Get out of bed. No, Didi, I'm playing. I'm just playing.
No, I'm not, Didi.
Damn, doesn't look good. Jesus. Alright. Looks like sellers are trying to come in here. Oh, and there they came.
Oh, that was crazy.
Order flow. You gotta love it.
Oh, man, that was unbelievable. Same thing happened during London session wall. Do you remember that huge buyer came in and it looking after they poked the highs and we're like, okay, depending where this closes, exactly the same thing.
Yeah. Not gonna lie, every time that kind of stuff happens where it's like I can see it happen, just I can see it happening before it actually happens is glorious. Feels so good.
It's amazing watching it play out like that. But it's not pushing
It might-
anymore.
It might retrace because it left the gap because of the huge aggressiveness.
Yeah, buyers right on the bottom with sellers as well.
But once they fill the gap, they should continue back down. There you go.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey, click the media. I think he goes for too many pips. Manage your own trade, bro.
It's so
Straight back to
aggressive. It should smash the VWAP.
I'll smash you.
What the fuck?
Okay, I had to respond to that one. What's going on, Pi?
Oh, just play him.
Wow, you're trying to get smashed?
Nope. No, I'm not.
Oh man, that is amazing. Come on, do it for the gram.
Do I have to close below 34 for the 4 point? Pretty much that's where the VWAP is. Great. Okay.
There we. Damn. Damn. Tapped it and bounced. Holy.
I swear, I was like, oh, he's about to do it.
Chef.
It's got it this time. This time it's got to do it. Surely.
Yep, it kissed it.
So negative. One, two. Yeah, come on this time.
That's crazy.
Oh, here you go.
It's
Come
crazy.
on.
It's crazy how today's trade has been freaking rocky because of freaking VWAP.
Yeah, absolutely crazy. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Jesus.
What a trade. Oh man, if your break even didn't get hit, well,
I know, right? Shit. Oh, actually, it went higher,
Yeah.
so it would have,
It's-
like stopped me out.
It's still rejecting. We need to close below it.
Man, really, it's rejecting. There's no way. There's no way. It pierced it. It's done. Should fucking keep going.
I'm gonna leave the view up on here so everyone can see it. On GC, we actually wicked the VWAP, but this micro gold futures kissed it. Yeah.
Wow, fucking A. That's insane.
give us a education. Well, what does VWAP stand for? What is it? What's it doing?
Hold on.
Don't
Wow, fuck
Google it.
me, that's insane. Look at that. Okay, I can't think of anything funny on the spot. You'll have to come back to me. Give me some time.
Okay. Yeah. You got to just be careful. There's kids. Yeah, DB. Now you can see what we're always complaining about.
Okay. I am gonna take a smoke break while you're in charge. I'll be back, guys.
Look, come back. Fuck.
Probably. There is a cell set up here. But, if there is there's a cell setup right here happening right now, and that kind of leads me to believe it's gonna pierce through.
Yeah, this will hit TP.
Can I just say I just want to just put buy and sell orders on VWAP from now on? Fucking don't need to do analysis.
I'm definitely looking where the VWAP is in future when I enter a trade. I want it to be as far away as possible. As far away as humanly possible. Look at this shit, man.
Insane. So you would have seen 56 pips of profit and 12 pips of drawdown if you bought VWAP again. Even though it was pushing down so aggressively, you would see 12 pips of drawdown.
Crazy. I think this will come down. You've got a lot of buyers at the top of this candle.
Yeah,
Getting
that's what I'm saying.
fucked. Yeah, that's right, Dini. I think King pretty much admitted the other day that he does when he says he's going to the restroom, he's just going to chill out.
See what happens once it retests 450.0. Should stay under, should reject it. Yeah, I think everyone was, DD. Everyone was worried about it. It's like, damn, what's going on? Twelve pips is nothing nowadays. Yeah, it really isn't. Okay, it's about to crater. Man, the weirdest thing about this VWAP is that it's not like a massive order is sitting at it. It just rejects it. That's all.
Yeah, I don't know what the science is behind it. I imagine institutional traders just use it as a reference.
Yeah. Okay, here's through it. Now it's all over. It's all over for the buyers. See, if I was trading this, I would have my stop loss just above there.
Yeah. So
There's
you're
no reason.
in pretty good profit,
No.
risk free. It's Friday afternoon, late. Yeah.
Bunch of buyers came up, bought the high of this candle, came down. There's no reason for it to get back above here. If it gets back above here, then it's probably gonna go back up to here at least, maybe even higher. Wow, that's ridiculous. I was 100% convinced it was over, and it's still rejecting it.
Crazy. The issue you've got now is this really needs to close below because you've got the VWAP, the POC, and now this support.
Yeah.
That's forming. So ideally, you need to see it break.
Yeah. If it closes like wick rejecting it all these times, it's gonna head back to the high.
Oh man, look how close he was to his 50%.
Yeah, no, Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
came back and I'm like, wow, it got so close. And we only get 50 plus watching now. I'm pretty sure they probably closed and left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think Edwin Edwin just gave up.
Oh, Edwin. Fuck, he's gone. Shit.
Yeah.
I
Only
wonder
thing
what
he said
Edwin
was
did. Sorry, go ahead.
that's like the only time he spoke is to say he's going.
Yeah. I wonder if he took the trade. It would be insane if he like took the trade and got stopped out because he did a tight stop loss again.
Max said, can imagine future King stream topics. Live day trading gold futures according to VWAP. LOL.
Yeah.
Right. I'm gonna call it a day, guys. It's 4 p.m. here. I will see you
Okay.
guys on Monday.
Ooh, 4 p.m. Poor guy. All right, see ya, Pi. It's just 1 a.m. over here. No worries.
Take care. I'm a little bit sleepy. Bye.
Take
Thanks,
care.
Jim. Thank you.
There's really no freaking reason for this to freaking even break this high at this point. Like, and there the VWAP is holding, but it should come down because we didn't break the highs. And
Yeah.
also now you have a double top pretty much, and now you've had this lower high in this range. We just need to create a lower low by breaking this low here. That's what it should do. That's why I'm still holding and believe that even though it's Friday, to come down to this 34.42 point. But if any of you want to close, you can. You believe this, I'm willing to deal with the consequence. Whatever my actions are right now. Honest, even this minor low should get smashed. Even if we do not close below this range, this low at 34.28.2, and there's a higher chance that if we do get down here to 34.28.2, we might not break and create another low here. Therefore, giving this low here 5, pretty much triple bottom, or multiple. Add this over here too, to the left. What I actually see happening, but I'm just
big selling coming in.
But I'm just second guessing it. I'm just second guessing it. What I actually do see is that we'll come back to this 1 hour demand at least. But then again, it's Friday, so I'm second guessing.
Jesus.
I'm all the way down to this range. So since it failed to break the high that created it. That happens, we might close in this range and not get it a major BOS.
Yeah, that is possible. Man, just smash that TP for him.
Hopefully, right.
Order filled.
There you go.
Oh, finally.
Order filled.
Yay, I was right. Yay. Let's go. Let's go. You're still here and you held with me. Spam W's in the chat. Guild only wants to give 100 ticks today. I'll take it. Move this just one tick below.
Take care, Didi.
Alright, Didi. Good media, heart fragile.
Holy shit. If it closes back above, that's something else.
Yep, could be something.
You got all your accounts break even?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure.
Yeah. Thank you. Wow.
Unbelievable.
This VWAP stuff holding like this, I really believe it only happens when we don't really have volume in the market, because the volume today, pretty much trash. Especially with the way we freaking created this resistance here. Just look at this candle. Definitely a lot of sellers in this candle. But yet we're still struggling to push down lower because of freaking VWAP. How many sellers was in this candle? Well, if you can tell me real quick.
Jeez, I don't know. All I know is like right at the top of the candle, like big sellers came in and then it just smashed down.
Oh,
They're selling like 40 lots, 30 lots, like all large size right at the highs.
mhm. Remember that move that we wanted, that we talked about, that if we're gonna take sales, that's pretty much what happened.
Oh
Now
yeah.
this, but I pretty much was not expecting it to do that again because of news, and then the way
Oh,
this candle closed because of the way it closed, because it closed strongly below where buyers tried to get in, and then had
yeah.
this resistance here and this bearish fake out candle. Like, okay, if we start coming down, we should continue to the downside. There's a chance this is not going to pull back and we'll miss out of the trade.
Yeah. Especially because it was the news.
Yeah. And that was what I was saying. That was it sometime last week that I was not going to do that anymore and just wait for that setup. If I get it, fine. If I don't, fine. But I went against that today.
It is the 5.
It will happen once in a while, but for now, but gotta freaking train my mind to freaking only focus on,
Yeah.
because taking the sell here, that was me just like me believing I have an edge over the market. Like the market has to do what I want. So instead of waiting for this, I know I should have waited for. It's just like, okay, me taking it here as well is just like, okay, I know that there's a 50% chance that it's going to continue downside. But this right here, like, I know 100% is going to fall.
Yeah.
And the one I should wait for.
And those secondary setups, they always give a better entry price.
Yeah. The first ones are the most risky ones.
Yeah.
Second one is less risky.
Yosemite said, so is that FOMO?
I wouldn't call it FOMO. in my opinion, I really believe FOMO is when you don't know what you're doing. That's what I believe. I don't know, I could be wrong, but that's the way I interpret FOMO. Nah, yeah, it is, but it's also when you don't know what to do, in my opinion. So let me say my defense. Which it, when it comes to this trading thing, man, I'm my own goddamn lawyer. I'm gonna fight for myself. I don't give a shit what you're talking about. I'm my own lawyer. Sometimes it's lack of funds. Oh no, I don't know about that one. Oh snap! It's 10:25. Oh, okay. All right, YouTube. Nice win today. Have a good weekend. We'll be back again on Monday. Also, the trade futures. Want to get a prop firm? Get one from Top Futures. Use their code 55% off. Aside from that, all my links is in the description. God bless. Have a great weekend. I'm out. Peace. All right, guys. Zoom. Have a good weekend. Oh, I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. Oh, and also next week, we'll resume the weekly webinars. So, all right.
All right. Thanks, Abe.
You're welcome, guys. See you guys.
Have a great weekend.
You too, guys.